especially in classics. 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, torch red in color, dark charcoal interior, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low miles, confirmed original miles, a little over 9,000 is all in this one. Go ahead and take a look at the front fascia, chin spoiler. Paint shows well on it. It's what you'd expect on a car with 9,000 miles. Of course, the dual overhead cam, 5.4 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, underside, interior, trunk. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory SVT wheels. Of course, bucket seats. 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that 5.4 liter dual overhead cam engine. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. It does have a Borla exhaust on it. And we'll take a peek underneath the hood while it's running, so you can check that out. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, take a look at the underside. You can tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather. See how clean it is underneath there, the engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. So we take a look up and down the driver's side, and again, you can see it's pretty much free of any major dings, nicks, scratches. Adult driven and owned, well taken care of. Remember, just a little over 9,000 miles and clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Of course, your standard equipment that you're going to get on a loaded Mustang: power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat. Door panels, FYI, look good. If you're familiar with Mustangs in this era. It does have WeatherTech, nicely formed floor mats in there, keep the little loose tiny gravel particles out of the carpeting. And then look at this seat, bolster, obviously very little wear to it with that kind of miles on it. Speaking of miles, let's go ahead and look at the exact miles here. Fired up so you can hear it run too. Alright, so there's your exact miles. When I said a little over 9,000, I meant a little 9,085. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. The radio on.
Next week, so and still can hold on to some hope.
Radio works fine. Wipers work. Of course, like I said, AC blows cold. To the top of the dash. Tell this car's been stored indoors also. Borla sounds good on there, the Borla exhaust. Headliner's good. And what Shaker 500 stereo system, by the way. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nice deep throaty exhaust. Alright, I did pop the hood. I'm going to pause it a second though, because I'm going to have to get the prop rod up. So hold on 1 second. Take a look at the hood liner. Again, you can tell it has not been driven in inclement weather. K&N cold air intake, so they have opened it up a little bit so it'll breathe. As far as the cold air intake, and then Borla exhaust. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Again, what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. There you go. 2000.
Here we have a 2007 Ford Mustang GT500. Go for a drive. this car. Wipers working. She runs real good. Smooth ride, good acceleration. Goes straight, no pull. Brakes were great. Lots of fun with that 6-speed. No strange noises. It's as you would expect. Almost halfway on the temperature gauge. 3/4 on the oil pressure. 3/4 tank of gas right now.
Ford Mustang, Shelby GT500. Clean Carfax, low miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.